Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Google Chrome for your Windows operating system for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So you can see I have already downloaded it to Google Chrome, and then if you didn't download it, just follow my steps very carefully. First of all, you will find your built-in browser called Microsoft Edge. So click on that and your Microsoft Edge will be opened. And if you now click on the new tab and if you search for Google Chrome, you will get an option called Google Chrome over here. So click on that. And after that, there will be a Google Chrome download and fast secure browser option over here from the Google. So click on that. And after that, there will be an option called download Chrome. So if you click on that, the download is started over here. It's only 9.7 MB, so it will take some of seconds to download. And you can see the download is completed. And now if you click on it 2 times to install, you will get an option like this. Click yes for the permission, and you can see the connecting to the internet and downloading. So it will take 2 minutes, so wait for a little bit. After completing the download, I will get you. So after completing the download, the Google Chrome is open, and now they are requiring the permission which account I want to open. I already installed Google Chrome, that's why they are showing me this. But if you didn't download it before, you will be get only this add icon over here. So if you just click on that, you just need to sign in your Google account over here, and then the Google Chrome will be open. So this is how you can download Google Chrome for your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.